Kia ora. Now that we've talked about bivariate data, let's talk about how we are going to display that data using scatterplots. Scatterplot is going to be used for displaying bivariate data. It's going to compare our two variables so that we can see a relationship between variables. Let's talk about how to build a scatterplot. Okay, like a lot of other graphs, scatter plots are built on a pair of axes, each one of the axes holding one of the variables. So as we had said before, the x-axis is going to hold the independent variable, and the y-axis is going to have the dependent variable. Okay, here we got a vertical leap showing several ninjas, student number, years they've studied, and their vertical leap. Now think about this. Would we want to say the number of years a student has studied would have an impact on their vertical leap? That sounds like that would make sense. Or would you say the vertical leap has an impact on the number of years they were students? Well, that second way sounded strange. The first way is the way we're going to want to go with. So on the x-axis, that's always going to be the independent variable. In this case, the years that they attended Ninda College. And on the y-axis, that's going to be the vertical leap. Okay? And we're going to place a dot on the scatter graph, and each dot shows both pieces of data. Okay? So student number 1, 2 years, 25 centimeter leap. There's the 2 years, there's the 25 centimeter leap. So each one of those dots represents one of the items from our scatter plot. Then we're going to try some on our own, and then we're going to read some scatter plots. We can read individual values from scatter plots as well as data points above or below certain values. So how many ninjas were involved? Well, each dot is one ninja. There we would have 9 ninjas surveyed. How many ninjas have been in college? 8 years. Well, there's the 8 years. Tahi rua. Tokorua nga ninja a waru years. Okay, next one. So this would mean, 2 ninjas had the 8 years. And let's try some on our own after that. And there's a little summary for scatter plots. Mauri mahi mauri ora kakiteano.